Hi, I'm Jacinto with Preferred Food Service Specialist. I am your K-12 school representative. I work directly with schools just like yours to find smarter, more efficient ways to serve great food to your students. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to one of the most intuitive combi ovens available for school kitchen, the INVOQ by Blodgett. Whether you're dealing with a tight schedule, limited staff, or high volume, this oven is designed to make your kitchen more efficient, consistent, and easier to manage.
It's like having an extra team member in the kitchen. It's smart, easy to use, and fully programmable. So it does more than just cook. It helps you work better. With touchscreen controls and programmable recipes, training new staff is faster and you get the same results every time. One of the best parts, you don't have to constantly watch it. Just load the food, set it, and get on with other things. It heats up quickly and cooks even faster, so you're always ready during busy time. With multi-level cooking, you can make multiple dishes at once without mixing flavors. That means more variety with less work. It's Energy Star rated too. It helps schools and kitchens lower utility bills and hit sustainability goals. It also uses less water and electricity overall, making it a smart, eco-friendly choice. And when the day's over, it cleans itself with automatic cycles and just the right amount of detergent. Now, your team can spend less time cleaning and more time serving great food.
Thank you for watching. If you're looking to make your school kitchen more efficient, consistent, and easier to run, the INVOQ by Blodgett is the smart way to go. I'm Jacinto with Preferred Food Service Specialist. If you're looking to demo or learn more about the oven, please contact us. Thank you. Hi, I'm Jacinto with Preferred Food Service Specialist.
Oh no!